Hello, my name is Audric Angelo Sai. In this video, I'll be talking about coding theory, more specifically, error detection in coding theory. What is coding theory? Coding theory was founded in 1948 by a brilliant American mathematician, Claude Shannon. Coding theory, sometimes called algebraic coding theory, are error-correcting codes that make transmission of information across noisy channels reliable. To put it simply, coding theory makes sure that information sent through the internet doesn't get disrupted by noise. What is this noise? Noise, in this context, is undesirable or unwanted signals that get randomly added to the actual information carrying the signal. This noise causes interference in the signal being transmitted, and this causes errors in the communication system. How does coding theory work? In a computer, words, symbols, and numbers are encoded into binary numbers, 0 and 1. Then, the message is sent. When the message is sent, noise in the communication system would change some of the numbers. After the message is received, the system checks if anything was changed. If something was changed, the error detection program will try to correct it. Finally, the binary code is decoded back to its original message. To put it simply, coding theory is similar to the error detection program when we are trying to translate what a baby is saying. Take the baby on the right of the screen as an example. The baby said, "E need lickle mix." Our brain allows some errors to be tolerated, so we translate this text to "I need little trail mix." This makes much more sense and accurately tells us what the baby wants. This is how error detection program in coding theory works. Where is coding theory used and how relevant is it in our generation? Coding theory is used a lot. An example would be broadcasting. Movies from paid channels such as Disney Channel or Netflix must be broadcasted in high quality since you have to pay for the movies. Coding theory is used here to detect and correct the errors in transmitted codes for the movies. This method is very useful in broadcasting as it helps maintain the quality of the movies. Another example would be unmanned deep sea exploration. Since the pressure in the sea is too much for the human body to handle, we have to use unmanned underwater vehicles to explore the deep sea. Once these vehicles have got some data, the vehicles would then need to send the data to a computer above ground. Coding theory is used here to ensure that the data is accurate. Other than those two examples, who knows what coding theory might be used for? Coding theory might also be used in the future to explore the insides of black holes. Advanced unmanned spacecraft could be used to go near a black hole and record data. Coding theory will be used here to transfer precise information from the advanced unmanned spacecraft to a computer on Earth. Coding theory can correct most of the data affected by noise in communication. This is important because information sent through the digital world or anywhere must be precise so people can understand it well, just like the analogy of the baby. In conclusion, coding theory is very relevant in our world today. These are my sources, and thank you for listening.